For years I followed strict fertilizer schedules, bought premium products, and still ended up with disappointing results. My tomatoes were bland, herbs looked tired, and soil health steadily declined. So I stopped fertilizing. Completely. No liquid feeds, no granular boosters, nothing. Within one season my garden changed dramatically, and for the better. Fertilizer, a short-term fix, long-term problem. Fertilizers promise fast results. They force plants to grow quickly with synthetic nutrients, but at the cost of long-term resilience. The roots stay shallow, and the plants grow dependent. More dangerously, repeated fertilizer use destroys soil biology. Beneficial microbes, fungi, and bacteria, the very organisms that naturally feed plants, can't survive in chemically saturated soil. Mycorrhizal fungi, which normally extend a plant's root system, stop functioning because fertilizers make their work unnecessary. Over time, this weakens the entire root zone. Plants become more vulnerable to pests, drought, and disease. Fertilizer doesn't fix poor soil, it just hides it temporarily. How plants actually eat. In a healthy ecosystem, plants feed themselves by partnering with soil life. Through their roots, they release sugars and signals that attract bacteria and fungi. These organisms make nutrients available in perfectly balanced forms. It's a quiet, efficient system millions of years old. When I stopped fertilizing, I began feeding the soil instead. I added compost, not to push growth, but to restore life below ground. Compost is full of beneficial microbes that rebuild soil structure, cycle nutrients, and create natural fertility over time. Compost and cover crops really changed everything for me. Once I made the switch, compost became my main soil input. Whether I hot compost or just let it break down slowly, every batch recharges the soil with biology, not just nutrients. I also started planting cover crops like clover and rye. These plants add organic matter, fix nitrogen naturally, and improve soil structure with their deep, fibrous roots. I plant them in the off-season or between crops, then cut them down and let them decompose right into the soil. No synthetic input can really replicate what they do. Over time I noticed some real changes. Better soil texture, richer color, deeper roots, and honestly fewer pests. Earthworms returned. Water absorbed faster. Plants just looked stronger, and all that happened without any synthetic help. My soil was alive again, and it was feeding the plants better than any fertilizer ever did. Yeah, there was a transition. Some plants struggled early on, but within a season or two everything stabilized. The soil began to self-regulate. I no longer needed to manage every nutrient input. I simply nurtured the system, and it took care of the rest. Your soil can do this too, really? If you're stuck in the fertilizer loop, just start small. Choose one garden bed, add compost, try a cover crop, stop disturbing the soil, let biology take over. The transformation is real. Subscribe to Dirt Decoded for more down-to-earth gardening strategies, and share this with someone ready to break free from fertilizer dependence. Your soil already knows what to do. It's time to let it live.